The accused, upon arriving home at night, surprisingly caught his 16 years old daughter having sexual intercourse with his boyfriend Lakas. With a sudden burst of anger, the accused killed Lakas before he escaped on the road. What should be the penalty of the accused based on the facts stated above? A. Reclusion perpetua to life imprisonment. B. Distierro. C. Reclusion temporal. Or C. Reclusion perpetua only. The answer is Distierro. Based on Article 247 of the Revised Penal Code, any legally married person who having surprised his spouse in the act of committing sexual intercourse with another person shall kill any of them, or inflict serious physical injury shall suffer the penalty of distierro. And these rules shall applicable also under the same circumstances to parents with respect to their daughters under 18 years of age in their seducer while the daughter are living with their parents. Those rules was applied to the accused because surprises her having sexual intercourse with another. The fact that their daughter is only 16 years old and living in the same roof with the accused. Suppose that A shot B in a treacherous manner that caused the immediate death of B. To hide the body, A set fire to the house of B in order to conceal a crime and to make it look like an arson. A is or are guilty of what crime? A. Murder only. B. Arson. C. Murder with arson. Or D. Murder and arson. The answer is murder and arson. B was shot treacherously by A and A used fire to conceal a crime. Please note that if the main objective is burning the house and death is resulted on or occasion burning the house, the crime is simply arson absorbing the homicide. If the main objective is by killing someone by setting fire into the house of another, the crime is murder. If you kill someone and in fact the killing was done, but fire is resorted to as means to conceal the crime is murder and arson. Vice Ganda was a pregnant woman, and because of depression, she tried to commit suicide by means of poison. But instead of dying, the fetus in her womb was expelled. What was the crime committed by Vice Ganda? A. Murder. B. Unintentional abortion. C. Infanticide. Or D. No crime. The answer is no crime. An attempt to commit suicide is an act, but it is not punishable by law. Under Article 253 of the Revised Penal Code, which is giving assistance to suicide, it does not penalize a person who attempts to commit suicide. So, Vice Ganda who tries to commit suicide is not committing a felony. Therefore, she is not liable for abortion or expelling the fetus instead. So, if any person kill another with the attendance of any qualifying circumstances, provided that the victim is not his mother, father, child, legitimate or illegitimate, any of his ascendants and descendants, or legitimate spouse, or killing of a less than 3 days old child, the crime is always be murder. So, parang homicide din yan. But in homicide, walang qualifying circumstances. Pero kung ang pinatay niya ay ang kanyang ama, ina, anak, legitimate or illegitimate, ang mga lolo niya, at ang mga apo niya, at ang kanyang asawa, the crime is parricide. So, yun lang naman yung tatandaan nyo sa parricide eh. So, pag hindi pumatak sa parricide, is it either homicide or murder or infanticide. Dito sa infanticide, any person who killed less than 3 days old child is infanticide. So, kahit sino naman dito ang offender. So, parents, non-parents, strangers, or relative of the victim. Thanks guys, and For my next video, magpo-focus tayo sa crimes against property, theft, robbery, yan, malicious mischief, and other cases. So,